Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to discuss about the important points marched from mine ventilation. You have seen that here that there is a fire. Okay, so open fire system here I have mentioned and I made here for a experimental gallery. And I told so many things regarding the last videos, and I will give the all description link in the description box, all videos links. Okay, so you first know about what is fire, that the causes of the fire and the important points which merge to the mine maintenance system that causes fire. So first of all, that airflow plays an important role in the dynamics of the open fire system, and the higher the airflow and higher the generation rate of CO2, CO, and higher the temperature. That is the most crucial as well as the very general things, that if the airflow will be high, that CO2 and CO percentage and higher the temperature percentage will be automatically be high. And in the dynamic condition of a fire, the throttle effect has been realized about the increase of pressure drop across the fire zone and increases in the concentration of CO2 and temperature, and thereafter a reduction in the airflow hereby also given and mentioned here. And that is the most important and the circulatory things, that the concentration of the CO2 and the temperature and thereafter a reduction of airflow will be high, as because the dynamic condition of the fire. And throttle effect is basically the realization of the fire and to increase the pressure drop across the fire zone, because when the increase the pressure drop across the fire zone will be there, that is will be the throttle effect. Okay, so I have mentioned here, you can see here, that is the throttle effect, and basically the reason of the an increase in the pressure drop across the fire zone. Okay, so airflow reduces with a increase of velocity of 28 to 50%. I have mentioned here, but you may be get that 70%, that is also the possible here. So the gas sampling procedure, here also I mentioned and told so many things in the last videos, and I will give you the link of all videos in the description box, and you can go through the link and go through visit. If you want to visit the underground coal mine, you can go through my description box link I have mentioned there, and coal mine visit, and you can go through the description box link. So here the samples would be taken at frequent interval, as frequent as that, as because it may be 1 and 2 sample within the 1 hour. Okay, so comparison of the results should be made with the same sampling points, and in order to judge the intensity of the heating chain, number of sampling points should be as much as possible so that it can be identified further. And it should be the usual practice of a mine to take gas samples at regular intervals immediately after sealing until such results, so that the situation is no longer dangerous. And after that follow-up, samples are usually taken at less frequent intervals until no longer required periods are there. So that is the crucial point. I mean that I have told so many things regarding the mine ventilation and mine fire, and that is the what is closed system and what is open system I already told. And usual practice of the mine to take gas samples in regular intervals, I told you, that is a regulation of 145 of the CMR 15100 the old regulation I am telling you. But that is the environmental condition checked. If it is 0.6%, then that is the within a month one time, and if it is a 0.8%, that is 24 days 24 hours per, I mean that one sampling in a 24 hours. Okay, so after that the follow-up samples are usually taken in the less frequent interval until no longer is required. Okay, so samples drawn through the tube or pipe should contain the atmosphere at 1 squares requires to be sampled, and sample collected to the sampling bag, that is the ceramic bottles are already obsoleted, and that sampling balloons are there, that is should be in the rubber balloons, and that should be ringed, and there should be a one clip, and should be made air free for the suction pump before taking sample on it. So you see, this is also a most crucial things, and that is the most important thing for sampling procedures. The pressure difference across switch stopping should be measured before taking samples. So wherever possible, the arrangements of pressure measurements should be kept ready, as because the pressure differences across each stopping should be measured who is taking the samples, and you know that is the always pressure measurement. The all arrangements should be kept ready. While sampling, it should be ensured that no water is being injected into the fire area, as because I told you that there will be one U-tube system during the fire stopping, I told. But here also in the sectionizer stopping, that 1 meter stopping, here also that the one U-tube is there to reject the water from inside to outside. Okay, so no chances of injection of water, as because that is a U-tube, and if it is a gas, and gas also automatically be removed, and that should be filled up with sand. Okay, so fire area, because the no water injection should be there, may produce water gas, leading to erroneous result in the gas analysis, because water gas can be produced into plus O2, so that the erroneous result, the wrong result can be produced. There here also the system of the sampling pipes here also there. That is the GOF, and this is the borehole, and here that is the surface, and you know that is the bubble with acidic water here also there, and the sampling bottle here, that is the sampling bottle, and here from here you know that is the all the ingredients of the gases will be collected from here to here, and from here that is suction pump is here, and then multi-gas analyzer is there, you can get the result in the computer. Okay, so that is the mine, and that is the surface, you understand parts. And there is a long borehole, 6 mm diameter pipe is there, and from that borehole we are collecting the sample gases, and here this is the acidic water is there, and no affected will be the gases. In case of it will be gone through the acidic gases, you will get the as simple as pure gases. As means the pure gases means what I am telling you, that here those gases you can find here, you can find also those gases. Okay, so you can directly collect those sampling bottle through, and through sampling bottle it one suction pump will be there. From the suction pump you will get the multi-gas analyzer, and you can get the percentage of oxygen, percentage of carbon monoxide, percentage of carbon dioxide, percentage of CH4, percentage of methane, percentage of ethylene, percentage of other hydrocarbon, percentage of N2. Okay, so this is the basically the system. So thank you, best of luck for your the mind ventilation concentration. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more video and more understanding. And if you have any discussing comment or any problem, please ask through my comment box. Okay, so that I will clear your doubt, and you know that is the most important thing, and nowadays it is the most important thing for us, as because you will get anywhere, nowhere this type of video in the mind ventilation system. And the other videos you can go through my description link, and you can visit everything in the mine as well as the coal mines from my video. Okay, thank you, best of luck.